have been following it up on a daily basis. I have been in touch with the Deputy Commissioner, who has been speaking to them on a regular basis. About 3 days back, the Deputy Commissioner had spoken to me saying that they would like to speak to me on the phone and meet me in my next visit to Garo Hills. And then they would be calling off the hunger strike. But that did not happen, which is fine. So I have sent a message across to them that I will be meeting them in my next visit to Garo Hills. That's number one. And as I said, number one, the Deputy Commissioner has been continuously following up. And ADC is present there all the time. And doctors and other officials also are there all the time. So our presence is right there, and we are monitoring the situation very closely. Number two, coming to their concerns, I have made it very, very clear that regarding the roster system, we have taken a decision after deep consultation with all stakeholders, and hence, and that decision was communicated to everybody, including the Achik group also, and they were present in the meeting. They raised concerns, of course, but we clarified those concerns in those meetings, and only after that meeting that we, after taking a consensus for most people, did we go ahead with the OM. And hence for us to go back and now look into it will be very difficult. Number two, regarding the winter capital, which they're mentioning, the aspect and the issue of development has always been important to us as an MDA government. And we have also ensured that development is done on a very, very kind of a broad manner, where all regions and areas are kept in mind while we work towards development issues. So if you look at Tura, now we are just starting the mini secretariat out there. Now mini secretariat is a very big step, and most of the organizations understand the impact of that. And I'm sure that when I sit with the Achik group also, that we will be able to explain to them the impact of a mini secretariat. So the mini secretariat will come up there. There will be large, as I said, investment as well as large administrative reforms taking place out there. And hence we will see overall improvement in the delivery of our schemes and the presence of the administration in a much stronger manner in the coming days and coming years. We have also done very hard work to ensure that the Governor House in Tura is actually complete. So we are almost on the verge of completion. We expect that within a few months, or maximum within this calendar year, which is before December, I'm very sure that we should be able to make that functional also. And apart from that, as I said, many other departments and all we are strengthening to ensure that overall improvement in administration takes place. So everything is a process, and the process is on. The ultimate goal is always to ensure that development reaches to the people and overall administration gets closer to the people. And whatever ways and means we can find out to do that, the government is exploring and implementing.